The Continental AllSeasonContact 2 goes head-to-head with Michelin's CrossClimate 3, a true European all-season duo between precision efficiency and all-weather endurance. Both carry the 3-peak mountain certification, designed to handle everything from summer heat to light snow. Let's see who wins in this battle. Throughout this comparison, Continental's AllSeasonContact 2 is set as the reference point at 100%, with the data sourced from Autobuild's 2025 all-season tire tests. Starting with wet braking, the Continental stops at 4.1 meters shorter, an 8% advantage in stopping power. Though wet handling, it carries 5.5 km per hour more cornering speed, around 7% quicker, and even resists aquaplaning 1 km per hour longer, about 1% better water clearance. So overall, Continental dominates the wet, combining sharper grip, faster control and greater safety margins on rainy roads. When temperatures drop, Michelin strikes back. It stops 1.3 meters shorter, roughly 6% better in snow braking, and delivers 2,992 Newton traction, a 1% higher pulling force. In snow handling, it's also 1.4 km per hour faster, a 3% gain in agility. So overall, Michelin takes the snow test, maintaining grip and confidence in slippery conditions. When it comes to mileage, Michelin outlasts the Continental by 15,400 km, translating to a 32% increase in mileage. It also sheds 318 grams less rubber, around 39% less wear. So overall, Michelin wins durability hands down, built for long-distance drivers who prioritize tread life. On dry asphalt, Michelin stops 1.1 meters shorter, about 3% stronger in braking, while Continental corners 1.8 km per hour faster, roughly 2% more agile in handling. So overall, Michelin excels in braking precision, while Continental delivers steering response on twisty roads. When it comes to exterior noise, Continental registers 0.6 dB quieter, around 1% lower noise. While in rolling resistance, Michelin rolls with a 0.7 lower resistance coefficient value, about 8% more efficient, translating to fuel economy and reduced CO2 output. When it comes to pricing, the Continental undercuts Michelin by 23%, making it a more wallet-friendly choice. In summary, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 stands out for its superior wet grip, agile handling, and quiet comfort, perfect for drivers who value control and confidence in variable conditions. On the other hand, the Michelin CrossClimate 3 proves its all-weather versatility, with exceptional snow performance, remarkable mileage, and excellent fuel efficiency, ideal for those seeking endurance and year-round dependability.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.